Hyundai's collision assistance feature provides you with support in the unfortunate event of an accident. It can detect a car accident in real time and assist the owner in obtaining emergency services through the MyHyundai app, documenting the collision, and even finding a Hyundai certified repair facility. To enroll in the program, you will need an active Bluelink subscription. Log into your account on the MyHyundai app, then select Emergency Services menu, then Collision Assistance, then Get Started. Review the terms and conditions. You can then choose to allow data sharing and add permissions for secondary drivers to use collision assistance services. Congratulations! You've enrolled in the program. If you have enabled accident detection, the system will alert you on the MyHyundai app if an accident has been detected. You can choose to file the accident report immediately, or you can dismiss it for now. When you go back to the collision assistance screen, you'll see a brief note on the accident, and you can select File Report to complete the report. If you do not have accident detection enabled, or if the vehicle did not detect the accident, you can create an accident report manually here as well. Select Submit New Accident Report. Then you can fill out the details of the accident, including the accident location. You'll need to enable permission to allow you to take photos of the accident, as well as permission services. Then confirm that the vehicle listed is your vehicle. Next, you can document information about the incident, logging the type and location of the accident. Confirm your own information and add a driver to the vehicle if needed. Confirm the vehicle information and accident damage on the vehicle. Next, you can add photos documenting your vehicle and the damage to it. If other vehicles were involved, you can fill out information about their drivers and add photos of their vehicle, insurance card, and license plate. Once complete, the information can be submitted to the accident advisor. This helps ensure that all of your information is readily available for your insurance company. It also helps when it's time to find a repair facility, which you can do in the app as well. On the Collision Assistance page, select Shop Search, then select Find Repair Facility. You can use the map function to find a facility, as well as filter for distance or type of shop. Once you've selected the facility, you can save them in your app and call them to set up your estimate and repair. For more information on your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at MyHyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, MyHyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.